Hello everyone and welcome back to this simple math question, but many are getting failed to solve this. Okay, try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get future here. If you have earlier comment in our video, then you must check out your name here. So here we can see when we solve this, 25 divided by 8 times 5 is equals to 40, and 25 divided by 40, 5 times 25, 8 times 50, that is equal to 5 by 8. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right way. So we will solve in a right way. We will use here the PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we will simply write 25 divided by 5 times 8, and here multiplication division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. As we can see, there are two operations, that is division and multiplication, and have the same priority, so we have to operate from left to right. So first we have to operate this division. Okay, so 25 divided by 5 which equals to 5 simply, or we can simply write 5 on the place of that. 8 times 5, okay, 5 times 8, that is equal to nothing but 40. So here 40 is the right answer, so we can write 40 as the right answer. And if you're serious, then must check out our best product link for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.